Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. And just wanted to do a quick video here. A quick video indeed. I'm here in this kind of park area where I normally walk by. Oh damn, some guy's revving his motor, dude. Oh, you're so cool. Anyway, I'm here at the Eaton Hotel near here in Hong Kong. And you know, I'm over here, I'm walking around. Beautiful blue skies here in Hong Kong. And that's a very good segue to the phone I'm about to show you right here. So as you know, I have reviewed the Honor V20 more than almost any other YouTube channel out there. I've done at least 5 or 6 videos on it. And you know, I thought my time was up with it. But I still, even after, and let me share some bad news, I did get rid of my Honor V20, the black version that I had earlier. And I was pretty sad about it. I actually eventually kind of regretted it. And so that is why I'm here today to show you my new Honor V20, but in a beautiful blue, and I forget which color this is called, but look at that beautiful blue color right there. Oh yeah. Now let's put it to the light there, and you can see that awesome chevron kind of V look there on this Honor V20. Now this V20 is actually a kind of a lower level version. It's the 6GB 128 gigs of storage version. And you know, at first I thought, oh, that's kind of a downgrade, why did I buy this? But I actually am happy to have this version, because this is the version that actually is really it's really kind of like price sensitive, and I think for a lot of you guys, maybe the one that you're considering. And this Honor V20 right here can actually go head to head with some of the phones I've been testing recently a bit better, like the Redmi Note 7 and like the Oppo K1, and eventually the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 9, which I'm super excited about. But just look at this beautiful blue hue. And just to show you quickly once again which version was the one I got, let me just go ahead and put in recognize my face there. And there we go. Let's go about this phone here. Sorry about that, guys. And so, you know, apologies again for the delay of the comparison between the Redmi Note 7 and the Oppo K1. I'll be coming out with that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let me show you this version that I got here. It's a 6GB version right here with 128 gigs of storage. This is the happy medium, I think. Honestly, this is the perfect spot to be. 6GB is more than enough. I want to say it's kind of the ideal amount of RAM that you'll need in a phone. And obviously, see there, the Kirin 980. I mean, that's the reason why I had to get this phone again. And I love this blue version. It just is looking so slick. In fact, you know, forget about kind of the interface. You guys have seen it. I don't know what happened just there. Oh, dang. I don't know what's happening over there. Anyway, so I want to just show you guys, and this can be kind of part 2 of this video, which is a color comparison versus these 3 phones right here. And as you see here, yes, you are right. This Oppo K1 and Redmi Note 7 have been sitting on the edge of this ledge for this entire video so far. And there you go. I just want to do kind of a quick color comparison here out on the streets of Hong Kong. And as you see the reflectiveness of these phones, they are pretty reflective. The blue of the, there you see it, the blue of the Honor V20 is definitely deeper, but I kind of like the purplish of the Oppo K1 here. But man, that Redmi Note 7, it's looking so slick, so beautiful. Look at that phone. Look at the Oppo K1 right there. And hit me up in the comments, which phone of these do you think looks the best of the 3? I mean, I definitely have my favorite, but let me know which one is your favorite in the comments section. I would love to hear that. And I guess the final point I'd want to bring up here is in terms of comparisons. Which phone would you like to see compared? Would you like to see this phone compared to this phone, or this phone compared to this phone, or vice versa? I think honestly, this would be a nice video in itself right there. So I may throw in the Honor V20 as a part of this comparison as well, but I do think that these two being very similar with Snapdragon 660 processors should get a comparison first. But once again, just showing you that awesome color comparison here. Let me try to get the best angle here. There it is. Look at that beautiful color comparison there. And I gotta say, like, I don't like that the Oppo, you know, that the kind of purple starts in like the lower level here. I wish it was kind of in the middle. I think that would look nicer. And I do like the blue of the Honor V20 just better. In person, it looks a lot nicer. But you see them there with the glare of the sky. And the other thing you notice, this is glass, this is glass, this is plastic. And now if you notice, the reflectivity of these two is just far better. And they just look a lot nicer in the sunlight than plastic does. That's just the reality of glass. I mean, it just looks better. You see it there. Look how it reflects the building in the shot. But anyways, that's it for this quick color comparison and a first look of the blue Honor V20. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for that comparison, guys. This is just a little bit of a kind of a little mini video here to hold you guys over. And I have another special surprise coming up pretty soon. But the major news, you saw it already, Xiaomi Mi 9 unveiled, gonna be revealed, and gonna be in stores hopefully before the end of the month. I can't wait to get my hands on that Xiaomi Mi 9. And that's another reason why I picked up this phone, because I think there's no other phone that I want to compare this to more than the Honor V20, the OnePlus 6T, you know, all those flagship phones that I really love. That Xiaomi Mi 9 is going to be an amazing comparison versus this Kirin 980 in the Honor V20. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.